Good morning, everyone. I hope all are fine. And Yesterday we had discussed about the laws of natural development, and today we can discuss these points. Only I had given the 8 points. We have laws of natural development, so we can discuss that laws of natural development. First one is law of work. Second, law of independence. Third, power of attention. Fourth, development of will. Fifth one, development of intelligence. Sixth one, development of the child's imagination and creativity. Seventh one, development of emotional and spiritual life. Eighth one, planes of development. These are all the 8 laws of natural development. The child should be given the freedom to develop within the laws of natural development. That is the laws of natural development. So these 8 points we can discuss day by day. This is very important point and a big points also, big subject also. That is laws of natural development. So one by point we can discuss in next class onwards. And today we can take that law of work. The first point is law of work. So the child should be given the freedom to develop within the laws of natural development. This also our Dr. Maria Montessori said that child should be given the freedom to develop within the laws of natural development. That also very important. And we can discuss the first point, law of work. That's the important. And in that word also we can think that what is law of work. So let's discuss, isn't it? Okay. According to Maria Montessori, children at Casadi Bambini. What is Casadi Bambini? The first school our Dr. Maria Montessori started. Okay, that children at Casadi Bambini were able to achieve an integration of self through their work. Okay, she observed that children who came in with destructive behavior means one very naughty students, destructive behavior like aggressiveness, hostility, and some giddies in their character, quickly settled down in prepared environment. They became calm and peaceful after working with the materials in the prepared environment. Slowly, all the destructive behavior disappeared in the Montessori environment. And our Dr. Maria Montessori believed that some great need of the child must have been met through this activity of consideration, and that the new state of psychic integration and the child had thereby reached was actually his normal state. Okay, Montessori referred to this process of psychic integration as a normalization of the child also. Best areas of love work life balance also. That is a Montessori theory and a Montessori observation in the Casadi Bambini. And if any naughty children in our environment, they will very calm and peaceful after working the material. Okay, after working with the material in the prepared environment, they will very become very calm and quiet. That is one point, law of work. And the work of a child is different from that an adult. ഒരു അഡൾട്ടിനേക്കാൾ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ് വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദാറ്റ് ചൈൽഡിൻ്റെ വർക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്, വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് different from that an adult in that work, we can discuss in that. First one is the aim of the child's work is not an external one but of an internal one. That's for we say that self construction. An adult works to finish an activity, but the child works in order to grow. Through work, he develops concentration, motor development, work habit, and more importantly, his self-concept. That's the important one thing. And second one is the child follows the law of maximum effort to succeed by himself. He intensifies his efforts. Okay, he integrates his efforts. To grow, he must do it himself, and no one can do it for him. In fact, any assistance given to a child arrests his development. That's the second one. What is that? The child follow the law of maximum effort to the work. That is a concept also. And third one, children use the environment to improve themselves. The adult use themselves to improve the environment only. That is the difference. And the adult is no longer developing. He has reached the norm of the species, and but the child is a being in a constant state of transformation. That is a law at work. He interacts with the environment and absorbs impressions for his psychic development. That is the third point. What is the point? The work of a child is different from that an adult. That's the points. How they different from that an adult? ഒരു അഡൽട്ടും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ one child also different in that work. What's the difference? That is we discussed the third point. And fourth point is children work for the sake of process. However, the adult is concerned with the end of the result. That is important. Fourth one, children work for the sake of process. The adult is concerned with the end, the result. What is mean by that? If we say in Malayalam, we can say കുട്ടികൾ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആ ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സ്, ആ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രോസസ്സിലൂടെയാണ് അവർ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ബട്ട് അഡൾട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന അഡൾട്ട് കൺസേൺ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താ? വിത്ത് എൻഡ് ദ റിസൾട്ട്. ആ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ വർക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ എനിക്ക് എന്താണ് അവസാനം കിട്ടുക എന്നൊരു കൺസെപ്റ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫോളോയിങ് ദാറ്റ് അഡൾട്ട്. And fifth one is the rhythm of the child's work is different from the adult. The rhythm, okay. A child of about 3.5 years who wants to work with the 10 cubes of pink tower on a rug would make 10 separate journeys across the room. An adult would never act in that way. The child does not hurry as we do towards the end. By following his rhythm, he is able to perfect himself. If we say an example, we can say that if they do the pink tower or any other activities, the child does not hurry up. We have to do this, the last we have to think this like that. But the adult will happen what that he is able to perfect himself also, and adult will never act in that way. He separate journey in that 10 cube they make simply and very slowly. But the adult, they always they won't never act in that way, in the child's act way. That is the fifth point. So 5 points we already discussed. Not this laws of natural development. First one is laws of natural development. First point is law of work. In that law of work only we discuss. And first law of work, that law of work, some points including this law of work. നമ്മൾ 8 points ഉണ്ട് നമുക്ക് laws of natural development. 8 point ഉണ്ട്. ഈ 8 point എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് we already discussed yesterday. I had given the notes. Today onwards we can discuss one by one points. So laws of natural development. Today we discussed law of work. First point, important point, that is law of work. What is law of work? എന്താണ് law of work? What is the different from the adult and the child in their work? That is already we discussed. Okay, അതായത് law of work എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, what is that law of work? എങ്ങനെയാണ് കുട്ടികൾ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത്? കുട്ടികൾ വർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഫ്രം ദാറ്റ് ആൻ അഡൾട്ട്. ഒരു അഡൾട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും ഒരു കുട്ടി വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും എന്ത് തമ്മിലാണ്, എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് വ്യത്യാസങ്ങൾ എന്ന് 5 points, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ 5 points വി ഡിസ്കസ്ഡ്. ഓക്കെ, വൺസ് മോർ ഐ വിൽ ഗീവ് യു. അതായത് ലോ ഓഫ് വർക്ക് എന്നുള്ളത് മറിയ മോണ്ടിസോറി ഷീ ഒബ്സർവ് ഇൻ ദ കസാഡി ബാമ്പനി some children who came in the some behaviors, very naughty behavior, very clumsy behavior, but they quickly settled. They were very quickly adjust with the prepared environment. That become very calm and peaceful after working with the material is the prepared environment. വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതോട് കൂടി their behavior is very calm and quiet. Slowly they will destructive behavior disappeared. ഓക്കെ, അവരുടെ മോശം സ്വഭാവം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർ നോട്ടി ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുട്ടികൾ പതുക്കെ ഈ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതോട് കൂടി അവർ വെരി കാം ആൻഡ് ക്വയറ്റ് ആവും. സോ മോണ്ടിസോറി ബിലീവ് ദാറ്റ് സം ഗ്രേറ്റ് നീഡ് ഓഫ് ദ ചൈൽഡ് മസ്റ്റ് ഹാവ് ബീൻ മീറ്റ് ത്രൂ ദ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി, കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ, എവറിത്തിങ് ദേ വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദിസ് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി, ആഫ്റ്റർ ദിസ് ഓൾ ദ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ് വി ഡിസ്കസ്, അഡൾട്ടും ചൈൽഡും തമ്മിൽ കുറച്ച് വ്യത്യാസങ്ങളുണ്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ. ഫസ്റ്റ് വ്യത്യാസം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ, ചൈൽഡ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഒരു എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ വൺ ആയിട്ടാണ്. ദ എയിം ഓഫ് ദ, അതായത് ചൈൽഡിൻ്റെ എയിം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ വൺ ആണ് വർക്കിൻ്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ. ബട്ട് ഓഫ് ആൻ ഇൻറ്റേർണൽ വൺ, അഡൾട്ടിൻ്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ ഇൻറ്റേർണൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫോർ സെൽഫ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ. അത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ, സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ എനിക്ക് പറ്റും എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കൺസെപ്റ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു ടേക്ക് ദാറ്റ് വർക്ക്. ഒരു അഡൾട്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആൻ അഡൾട്ട് വർക്ക്സ് ടു ഫിനിഷ് ആൻ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി. ഒരു അഡൾട്ട് പെട്ടെന്ന് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ആഗ്രഹിക്കും. ബട്ട് ദ ചൈൽഡ് വർക്ക്സ് ടു ഓർഡർ ടു ഗ്രോ, എനിക്ക് വളരാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പയ്യെ slowly they will grow into develop the concentration. Through that work they develop the concentration power and motor development and sensory development, everything they will follow. If they are doing the work, he develops concentration, motor development, work habit, everything they will importantly self concept also. That's an important point. And second one, the child follows the law of maximum efforts. And third one, children use the environment to improve themselves. And fourth one, if they are doing the activities or the work, if they are doing the work, children work for the sake of process, but the adult concerned with the end of the result. That already also we discussed that. And fifth point, the rhythm of the child's work is different from the adult. What does mean by rhythm? Rhythm means one music, if they are doing one rhythmically. ഒരു ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് അവർക്കൊരു താളം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർക്കൊരു സ്ട്രക്ചർ they will follow. But the adult never act in that way. The adult will do very fastly, otherwise very they become very, that what is the end of the result, that concept only the adult following, that's the concept only the adult following. And fifth one, that is already rhythm of the child. That is the fifth. 5 points already we discussed. That is the law of work. It is important point. And we have 8 natural laws of natural development, and 1 point only we discussed today, the law of work. So every day we can discuss, day by day we can discuss other points also. So we can wind up the section, and next class we can start the same points, the same topic subject. Okay, that's important. That's why I'm taking one by one. Okay. So I will given the notes of law of work. So you can write in A4 paper and you can submit. Okay, thank you.